different. What's going on?
Well, my tooth fell out.
Whoa! You look amazing!
I know. Today we're talking about a wonderful black woman in aviation and barnstorming. Storm, this is already, guys. Storm!
Wait a minute, Raya. Aviation and barnstorming? What on earth is that?
What on earth? Okay, guys, let me explain. Firstly, guys, aviation means to make or fly an aircraft. Here's some examples of aircraft. Gliders, helicopters, airplanes or drones. These are heavier than air aircraft. Barnstorming was a type of entertainment performed by pilots. They would perform tricks in their plane. These were very popular in the 1920s, but now in 2021.
Wow, Raya, this is brilliant. So which black female aviator are we learning about today?
Today, guys, we're learning about the amazing Bessie Coleman. Was the first black female pilot to earn a pilot license, just like car license, but this is a plane license. This was so major, guys! Before we get into this whole video, I need you to do one thing. So, I need you to smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. In 5, 4, it's getting louder and smash it. 3, 2, 1, now, guys. Whoa. It's very fun. I'm holding on the handles so I can steer. It's really cool. Bessie Coleman was born in Texas, America in 1892. Bessie Coleman had an African American mom and a Native American father. Bessie Coleman was very smart when she was younger, just like me. She loved maths and reading. When Bessie Coleman got a bit older, like a teenager, she got a job like a manicurist, which is someone who looks after your nails. Look, guys, look at my nails. They can also be called nail technicians. Bessie Coleman got a bit bored in her job, and she done lots more and more and more and more, and then she became a pilot. But let me tell you how it happened, guys. One day she was told about pilot training in France. She was so excited. And she started to speak French right away. And I can speak French too. Au revoir. That means bye-bye. Au revoir. Bonjour. That means hello. I'm back. Bessie Coleman saved up all her money to able to afford the training and travel to France by ship. I'm going to be a sailor too. She was taught to be a pilot at the Coily Brothers School of Aviation. It was in 1921 that Bessie Coleman became the first black woman and African American female pilot. She held an international pilot's license. When Bessie Coleman came back to America, she became a barnstormer. She did lots of stunts and tricks for people in her plane. She can even do loops, guys, and go upside down. But listen to this, guys. She even walked on the wings of the plane. What? That's dangerous. I would never ever do that. And guys, she parachuted through the plane, guys. How awesome is that, guys? But dangerous. I'm just not going to listen to that. I'm just going to close my ears. Bessie Coleman was so amazing. She taught other women to be pilots just like her. She used aviation to empower black people in America too. Power! Bessie Coleman has paved the way for so many pilots after her and inspired both men and women. There are places all over America and in France in honor of Bessie Coleman. We thank Bessie Coleman for her brave and inspirational work in aviation. Guys, unfortunately we ran out of time and our time is up. I hope you enjoyed hearing about the wonderful Bessie Coleman. And I hope you learned a lot about aviation, guys. Make sure you tell your grown-up what you learned on KidsBlackHistory. Me, the famous me, Raya. I hope you check out all our other KidsBlackHistory videos, guys, and smash the thumbs up and remember to subscribe the button down below. If you don't, we're gonna lose subscribers. Thanks, guys, for watching another episode of KidsBlackHistory, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.